Today is a moment that will remain eternally engraved in your heart, for the celestial message your angel is delivering is of incomparable grandeur. Be ready to embark on an exciting and extraordinary journey, one that will take you to heights of growth and success that once seemed unreachable. It's as if the entire cosmos is conspiring to make your dreams come true, illuminating the path ahead with the brilliance of the stars, showing you that you are loved and deserving of all the universe's care. Are you ready to accept and receive this with an open heart? Then say yes and let the magic happen. Under the starry mantle of the night sky, where each celestial glow radiates a unique intensity, and the moon, a faithful witness to this spectacle of emotions, your angel's message resonates with a grandeur that rivals the vastness of the cosmos. It is a revelation as profound as the immensity of the universe. Someone you never imagined, a precious soul hidden in the folds of destiny, longs to share the rest of the journey by your side. But it's not only that. This person desires to plunge headfirst into the experience of your life, surrounding you with all the love you have always wished for. This is a commitment that transcends time, an eternal promise that shines like an unquenchable flame. The passion this person holds for you cannot be contained by mere words. It is a fire that consumes the hearts and illuminates the darkest paths toward eternal love. Before you stands a crossroads of immeasurable importance. The decision to embark on this relationship and weave this whirlwind love story, capable of filling the gaps in your existential puzzle, is like finding the final piece to complete the picture and restart the game of life alongside the right person, indelibly uniting destinies. This choice, without a doubt, ranks among the most crucial you will face along your earthly journey. It requires not only deep reflection but also an exploration of the innermost recesses of your soul, as if you were deciphering the universe's most primordial mysteries. The one proposing to share their life with you has not merely chosen to walk beside you, but also aims to be the guiding star that casts light over the journey of life, marking a shared destiny bathed in affection and companionship. The duality of having two paths before you, both representing profoundly important situations capable of driving deep transformations in your life, may feel like a cosmic challenge. The sensation of standing at a crossroads, with both options yearning to share eternity with you, can stir a storm of emotions in your heart, where anxiety and anguish intertwine like turbulent waves threatening to flood your soul. However, amidst this emotional storm, it is crucial to remember that you do not hold absolute control over the other person's feelings. It is not your responsibility to force yourself to love someone simply because that person yearns for you, as true love cannot be coerced. It is a spontaneous gift that springs from the deepest parts of being. At the crossroads of life, where destiny diverges and horizons expand, the most important thing is to discern wisely and courageously which path will lead to your genuine and complete happiness. At this crucial moment, amid the whirlwind of emotions and expectations, it's time to dive deeply into the core of your own feelings, free from fears and doubts, and make a decision that resonates with your most authentic essence. You hold the power of choice, an inalienable freedom that allows you to trace the course of your love life. Yet remember, love transcends mere emotional experience. It is a journey of conscious commitment that shapes not only your own destiny but also the destinies of those intertwined in the fabric of your existence. Each decision should thus be made with due awareness and responsibility, as it emanates the ramifications that will echo through time. In making your choice, let yourself be guided by the symphony of your heart, by the rhythm that echoes in unison with your soul. Choose the person whose presence makes your heart dance with joy, someone with whom you envision not only sharing fleeting moments of the present, but also building a future filled with shared dreams and mutual accomplishments. Beyond physical attraction, which, though relevant, should not be the sole criterion, consider also the emotional harmony and values you share, for how can two walk together unless they are in agreement? This is a crucial point that deserves your careful attention. Trust, firm as the foundation of a solid building, is the vital element of any lasting relationship. So choose someone in whom you can place your complete trust, someone who not only warms your heart but also deserves your deepest trust, someone you can rely on with not only your love but also your life. For it is in the careful and conscious choice of a partner that lies the key to building a full and lasting loving future, where the foundations of affection and trust sustain a shared home of happiness. Understand that the love someone feels for you, no matter how intense and genuine, is not in itself a guarantee that this person is the right choice for your destiny. It's not merely about accepting any partner as a journey companion, but about discerning carefully who deserves to occupy such a significant place in your life. The foundations of enduring relationships go beyond the waves of love that fill the heart. They are built on the solid foundation of shared goals, visions of the future, and life values, essential elements that provide depth and support to this new connection. Your soulmate is not only the one who fills the empty spaces in your existence, but also the one who understands and respects your most intimate aspirations. It is someone who not only walks beside you but also pushes you to reach the highest peaks of self-knowledge and personal growth. This is a partner who, rather than limiting your ambitions, nurtures and strengthens them, empowering you to blossom and become the best version of yourself. Although this crossroads may initially appear as a storm of emotions that threatens to destabilize even the most resilient hearts, it is imperative that you open yourself to the possibility of an honest and sincere conversation with this person who holds such a significant place in your life. It's time to shed social masks, abandon pretensions, and delve deeply into the truth of what you feel. Be honest with yourself and with the other, for honesty is the foundation upon which mutual trust is built, essential for any lasting and meaningful relationship. Even if the outcome of this conversation does not exactly align with your most intimate expectations, know that clarity and transparency are the pillars on which the most authentic and profound bonds stand. As you engage in this dialogue, allow yourself to flow with the current of words without clinging to preconceived expectations or selfish desires. This is the moment to listen with an open heart, to grasp not only the words that echo in the air, but also the soul's subtle vibrations. For within the core of your being lies the answer you seek, guided by the gentle whisper of your intuition and the rhythmic pulse of your most primal instinct. Remember that the decision at this crossroads is not merely a momentary choice, but rather a journey that will shape the contours of your existence forever. It is a path that unfolds before you, whose ramifications will echo through time. So dive into this process of choice with the wisdom that only time and experience can grant. Let the light of your intuition guide your steps, illuminating the way toward the decision that resonates with the deepest truth of your being. The right choice, the one made with discernment and clarity of purpose, will bring you a partner who not only loves you but also surrounds you with unwavering dedication. This will be someone who will not hesitate to stand by you in times of tribulation, whose support will be the shield that protects you from life's storms. In moments of celebration, this companion will be there to share your joy, multiplying it with shared smiles and warm embraces. More than that, he will make you feel truly valued and loved, like a precious gem in his heart. This is the type of partner whose support is like a luminous beacon, guiding you through the choppy waters of existence toward the safe shores of your highest dreams and aspirations. Whether in the pursuit of professional success, the achievement of personal goals, or the simple journey of self-discovery, this companion will be by your side, lifting you when necessary, encouraging you when disheartened, and celebrating each accomplishment with you. With him, you not only share life but also build a legacy of love, companionship, and achievement that transcends the limits of time and space. So choose with a light heart, confident that the right partner awaits you at the end of this journey of discovery and authenticity. The ideal partner is not only someone who shares your moments of happiness, but also stands by you in moments of vulnerability when you need to shed social masks and reveal your true essence. It is someone with whom you can be completely authentic, without fearing rejection or judgment. In the depths of this relationship, you find a safe harbor where you can anchor your soul, a sacred space where every sigh, every laugh, and every tear is embraced with understanding and unconditional love. In this communion of souls, you discover that true intimacy lies not only in physical closeness, but in the emotional and spiritual connection that transcends the boundaries of time and space. It is a delicate dance of mutual trust and unconditional acceptance, where each reveals themselves to the other without reservations, finding in each other's arms the comfort and security that only true love can provide. As you share your deepest dreams, your most fervent hopes, and your darkest fears, you encounter a powerful truth. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness but a sublime expression of courage and authenticity. It is in moments when you allow yourself to be completely transparent, without masks or artifices, that your true essence shines with incomparable intensity. It is through these moments of radical honesty that the foundations of your relationship are cemented, transforming it into an impregnable fortress against life's vicissitudes. In these moments of deep connection, you and your partner find yourselves at the epicenter of a celestial dance, where every word, every look, and every touch is imbued with meaning and purpose. It is a journey of mutual discovery, where superficial layers are stripped away to reveal each soul's intrinsic beauty and complexity. It is in this space of surrender and acceptance that the bonds of love strengthen, intertwining in an indissoluble way, resistant to the test of time. So, in this transcendental moment of your life, when the stars seem to align in your favor, claim this choice with all the conviction that dwells in your core. Let the certainty of your heart guide your steps, leading you into the arms of the one who understands your deepest essence and loves you unconditionally. For it is in mutual acceptance, shared vulnerability, and mutual trust that the true essence of lasting and meaningful love resides. Let each step taken on this journey be imbued with courage and determination, for you deserve a love that transcends the limitations of time and space, a love that is eternal as the universe itself. So rise with the conviction that by choosing to follow your heart's calling, you are charting a course toward a life filled with love, happiness, and fulfillment. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe wants the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what choice you make. Type "I accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me" to claim this message and the blessings contained within it for you. Let's spread positivity and kindness to each other, creating waves of good energy together. Did you know that a possible image of your soulmate is available to you now? It may be someone you know or someone you have yet to meet. Click the link in the description to get the portrait of your soulmate. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. Be attentive to the next important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.